Ang runner-up para sa Chacha, Kevin and Kim. Para sa best pair with a score of 88.5. Congratulations to Jericho and Divine.
Unexpected ko eh. We were shocked. We're totally shocked. Nung sumayaw kami, lumabas lahat ng energy ko. Talaga nag-focus ako, kuya.
We had so much fun together as partners, even though I admit that I was harsh and mean before. But I think it worked out for the best because we pushed ourselves.
It's the best feeling ever, kuya.
Ang runner-up with a score of 78, Eting and Joya. At ang best pair with a score of 88.25, congratulations, Slater and Tin.
Noko niyo po ata kami eh.
Sinabi namin sa isa't isa na maglaro lang and have fun and huwag na isipin yung mga judges muna.
With a score of 92%, congratulations to Carlo and Wendy.
Oh my God, hindi ako makapaniwala, kuya. Super, hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin po ako makapaniwala na nagawa ko po yun. Nakapag-perform po ako ng ganong klaseng sayaw.
We did it, and I'm extremely happy. We know that we did a great job during our performance.
Housemates, para sa overall winner, na-average ko ang lahat ng scores ng bawat pares. Sapat nga ba ang naging average score ng high voltage o kapag isinaalang-alang ba ang total scores ng wayuk ay sila pa rin ang overall winner? Para iabot ang 150,000 pesos, tinatawag ko ang aking unang big winner, Nene Tamayo. With a score of 85.1%. Congratulations! Kayo ang panalo, Team High Voltage!